Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and asked, am I really living my best life? Many people dream of success, but only a few decide to take action. Success is not about luck or magic. It is about mindset, discipline, and the way we connect with others. If you are a student learning English, you are already practicing success. Every new word you learn is a step forward. Every mistake you make is proof that you are trying. This essay is about discovering the inner strength that already lives inside you and learning how to use it in your daily life. Imagine a young student named Anna. She was learning English but felt afraid to speak. In her first class, her voice was so low that nobody could hear her. She thought, maybe I am not good enough. Maybe English is too hard for me. But Anna made a decision. She told herself, I will not give up. I will practice every day, even if I fail. So, every night she read one page of a book. She listened to one English song. She wrote one small paragraph about her day. At first, it felt boring. At first, she made many mistakes. But step by step, her brain became stronger. One day, she surprised herself. She introduced herself in English to a stranger with confidence. Her classmates clapped, and she felt something new, pride in her progress. This is the story of success. Success is not the end of the road. Success is the journey. It is built when you overcome fears, when you train your mind to see possibility instead of failure, and when you create positive relationships that push you forward. Success is not about being rich, famous, or perfect. Success is waking up and knowing you are moving toward your dreams. Success is when you decide that yesterday does not control today. Think about this. Every time you learn a new English word, you are achieving success. Every time you study instead of scrolling your phone, you are proving discipline. Success is not always visible to others, but it is always felt in your heart. Success is built step by step. It is a road, not a final destination. What is one small step you can take today toward your personal success? Write it down and do it before the day ends. Life is full of problems, mistakes, and fears. But here is the truth. Problems are not walls. They are doors. Every obstacle is a chance to grow. When Anna felt fear of speaking English, she could have stopped. But instead, she decided to continue. That is overcoming. It is not about being fearless. It is about moving forward even when fear is in your heart. Overcoming is about discipline. It is waking up early when you feel tired. It is practicing your English even when you feel shy. It is choosing progress instead of excuses. And here is the secret. The more you overcome small problems, the stronger you become for big challenges. Think about one fear or excuse that is holding you back. Can you face it today in a small way? Your mind is your greatest tool. If you feed it with negative thoughts, your life will be full of limits. If you feed it with positive thoughts, your life will be full of possibilities. A positive mindset is not about ignoring pain. It is about believing that pain is temporary and growth is possible. When you think, I cannot learn English, I am too slow, you are building a wall. But when you say, I am learning step by step and I will get better, you are building a bridge. Positive mindset means choosing to see light even when the sky is dark. It is the daily decision to focus on solutions, not just problems. Today, replace one negative thought with a positive one. For example, change I can't into I am learning. No one wins alone. Success and overcoming are easier when you walk with others. Positive relationships are like fuel for your journey. Think about a friend who encourages you, a teacher who believes in you, or a classmate who studies with you. These people are your team. When you surround yourself with positivity, you grow faster. But remember, you also need to give positivity. Be the person who lifts others. Smile, encourage, and support. The more light you give, the more light comes back to you. Reach out to one person today and say something positive to them. Notice how it changes your mood too. Now, imagine your life in the future. Imagine yourself speaking English with confidence. Imagine working in a great job, traveling, or making new friends around the world. Imagine the pride of looking back and saying, I did not give up. I created my success. This is not a fantasy. This is possible. You already have the power. You have survived every hard day until today. You have learned many lessons already. You have the strength to keep going. The fire of success is already inside you. It only needs your decision to keep burning. Success, overcoming, positive mindset, and positive relationships are not big words. They are daily actions. Success is one new word learned. Overcoming is one small fear faced. Positive mindset is one thought changed. Positive relationships are one smile shared. The secret is simple. Repeat these actions every day, and your life will transform. Close your eyes and ask yourself, what is one small action I can take today to create my future? Write it down. Do it now, because success is not tomorrow. Success begins today.